Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a server in CSGO. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the first way would be if you already know the IP of the server you're connecting to. For example, if you got a third-party website and found a safe server, for example, if you have the IP save, what you can do is you can open your console and you can just type in connect space paste, and when you click enter this, it will actually load you into the server. Now that's one way to do it. Another way would be to click play up here in the top left and select community server browser. Now from here it gives us a whole range of servers, and if you wanted to do the bhop, for example, we just type in bhop and it will show us all bhop ones. From there we can look at the server names, we can look how many players are online, and we can also check the maps if you wanted to. And then when you wanted to join one, all you do is click on this. You just want to double click it and it will load you into the game. Now some custom servers like this have quite a lot of assets and stuff to download. As you can see in the bottom right, it's just loading. Now I'm not going to bother waiting for this to load. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.